Let's make this dazzling earrings, and you can customize as you wish, and you can use it for haldi, mehndi, navratri or any special occasion or a bold fashion statements. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for awesome content for craft and nail art. So we are going to start with the 1-inch diameter of cardboard piece in a round shape and then cover it up with the fabric just like this. You can customize with any color of fabric that you like. Now here I'm going to apply the round mirror applique, and it has a adhesive back so it's easily be applied, and I'm going to add it in the center. Now I'm going to apply the rhinestone with the rivet, or you can use the Kundan stones with the help of the glue. So this is how it looks, and all the products are listed in the description box that I have used in this video. Now punch a hole using these pliers and attach the jumper ring, and I'm going to attach this big jhumka or a tassel bead. Now on the opposite end, I'm going to punch another hole and attach the earring stud post. And here our jhumka earrings are ready, and I'm going to cover the back side with another piece of fabric so that it looks neat and tidy. And you can remove the film on the mirror, and it looks stunning and beautiful, and you're ready to dazzle with it in any event. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and also I have available this for purchase. I have link in the description box, so check it out, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.